When it comes to choosing a hosting service, there are many options to consider, and Dattatec is certainly one of them. In this review, I'll be walking you through my personal experience with their hosting service. From the first moment I signed up, Dattatec offered a range of options, from shared hosting to more advanced VPS solutions. The initial setup process was fairly straightforward, with an easy-to-use interface guiding me through the account creation and configuration steps. Dattatec promises fast load times and reliable uptime. After testing the performance of my website hosted on Dattatec for a few weeks, I can confirm that their server speeds are solid, especially when compared to other hosting providers. The uptime is impressive, and I haven't experienced any major downtime during my testing. However, when it comes to customer support, it's a mixed bag. The response times were decent, but there were a few occasions where I had to wait longer than expected for a solution. As for the features, Dattatec offers a decent set of tools and services. Their cPail integration is user-friendly, and I didn't run into any major issues while managing my website. The site builders and additional tools available were a nice bonus, especially for users who are not as technically savvy. However, I did notice that some of the features offered by Dattatec are better implemented by other competitors in the market. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about pricing. Dattatec's plans are competitive, and while not the cheapest out there, they offer solid value for the money. The flexibility of upgrading plans as your website grows is also a plus. On the downside, I do feel that some of their lower-tier plans could use a few more resources, but for the average user, it should suffice. In terms of security, Dattatec does provide SSL certificates and offers basic protection measures. However, I think they could improve in this area by providing more advanced security features as part of their basic plans, especially considering the growing concerns around online security. It would be nice to see more robust protection offered as standard. Overall, Dattatec is a solid hosting provider that offers good performance and ease of use, but there are a few areas where they could improve, especially in customer support and security. If you're someone looking for a reliable and affordable hosting solution, Dattatec is worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on hosting services.